This is where all the magic happens for welding. This is about 50,000 square feet. We've got 10 welding stations of MIG and TIG. We do flux core, we do metal core, we do aluminum welding, we do stainless steel welding. We've got about 12 welders on staff that weld 2 shifts.
We're AWS certified. We have AWS certified inspectors. Whether it be a small weld to a large weld, we pretty much cover the gamut.
So we can weld small assemblies, stainless steel, aluminum, medium-sized types of weldments. Again, this is stainless steel, structural type stuff, bracketry. We do things for insides of copier products. And then we go all the way up to AWS required larger weldments, which is in the transportation industry, which, oh, by the way, is a multi-million-dollar coach.
The robotic welder, first, a lot of the products that we do for the business machine arena lend themselves to it because it's thinner gauge, they're smaller parts, and since they have to be tagged all in a sequence, we can produce a weld quicker than having it in a fixture with an operator.
So you're saving time by having the robot weld while we're loading and unloading another station in that weld assembly cell.
There's a number of jobs in-house that we produce a fixture for the ease of manufacturing. It could be something that is being welded, it could be something that is being machined, it could be something that is a sheet metal component that's going into a brake press.
So when it comes to welding, you can build jigs, like this jig behind me and some of the other jigs that we use, but you can also do what's called tab and slot, where our components will have tabs on them, and then the mating component will have some slots in it.
And therefore the welder has something to go by without using a fixture.
So the customer doesn't have to spend the money on building jigs. And our engineers, our design engineers, are capable of working with our customers to put that type of geometry into the parts. So when we manufacture them, it's a good cost alternative for them to not have to build jigs and still get the quality part that they require. So it helps our customers with the overall project cost and helps us design a good quality product.